Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Measure 1 cup coarsely ground coffee and 4 cups cold water, or choose instant for speed. Stir to fully wet grounds. This maximizes extraction. If you prefer hot brew concentrate, brew double strength, cool over ice, and chill. Once mixed, seal the container to reduce oxidation and place in fridge or at room temp to steep. Let it extract for 12 to 24 hours. This produces smooth flavors and lower acidity. Make sure to label time started. So once done steeping, strain the coffee through a fine mesh or double paper filter to remove sediment. This cleans the cup and changes mouthfeel. Transfer concentrate to a pitcher and dilute. Start with 1 part concentrate to 1 part cold water or milk. Taste and adjust. If you want sweetness, dissolve sugar or syrup into a small amount of warm water before adding, because cold won't dissolve well. Make sure to mix thoroughly so flavors balance, and chill the final blend for at least 15 minutes. Serve immediately over ice, or shake with milk to create a frothy top. Blend with ice for a frap. For storage, keep concentrate in an airtight container in the fridge up to 7 days so flavor stays fresh. If your batch tastes sour, it was under-extracted. Steep longer or increase coffee dose. If it's too bitter, dilute more or shorten steep time next batch. Make sure to taste and adjust ratios. This iterative approach teaches you the precise balance you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.